Mark Lane. We are at 3107 Wright Street. So we just got this house, just closed on it today. This one came through an online auction, and we bought this house for $60,000. With an online auction, a lot of times we can't get into these. Go ahead and take a walk with me, and we'll check it out. All these windows are going to stay. We've got this nice dark wood around all the windows. As you can see here in the kitchen, a lot of cabinet space, so that's an advantage. And then so what we'll have to determine is what our comps are going to look like and how much we want to do to it. And then normally what we do in the kitchens is all new cabinets, brand new stainless steel appliances, brand new granite, and then of course new flooring. And then once we do the walkthrough tomorrow, we'll be with my project manager, we'll be with my designer, and at that point we'll make an educated decision of exactly what we're going to do to it. But we're just looked at, probably fixed. Hopefully we don't have a roof issue, but if we do, then we'll have to fix that as well. Alright, let's check it out upstairs.
Is there anything that you should look for in older homes?
Structural integrity in the house, and if not, we want to make sure that it can be fixed fairly easily. The layout, in a lot of older houses, you can have a pretty unfunctional layout. So we want a very functional layout that's going to have good spaces, good sized bedrooms, functional bathrooms and kitchens. As I was talking about with the layout, this is the only bathroom. I mean, that's one thing, is it's not ideal. It's not ideal to have that slope in the ceiling and stuff. So
how many bedroom house is this?
So this is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath.